Hair fall is not an unusual problem. It's common and it is extremely annoying too. There are a lot of search results on how to prevent hair fall, but what remedy really works, nobody knows. But don't worry at all. If you will watch this complete video, then you will get to know that there are many of the remedies that you can apply for your hair fall treatment. A little hair care for your hair fall issues goes a long way, and that is precisely why we are going to share some extremely important tips that you can follow in your day-to-day life to prevent hair fall and get the hair of your dreams. These are the few things that you can do to keep the volume of your hair intact. These hacks will help you to keep your mane full and mind sane, so you no more have to lose your mind over hair loss. Number 1 is hair cleansing. Obviously, cleansing your hair is an essential part to prevent hair fall, but before that, it's necessary to understand your hair type and texture. If you have oily hair, we suggest you wash your hair more often to prevent your scalp from being clogged, which in turn results into hair fall, hair loss, and infections. If you have dry hair, wash it only twice a week. Washing dry hair often will only result in unnecessary stripping of your hair's natural hair, making it dry and prone to damage. We don't want that to happen, right? So choose a perfect cleanser. The hair care rack is full of different types of shampoos with pretty branding and floral words that makes you want to swipe the card away. But wait, your shampoo should suit your hair type and help to prevent the hair fall concern. The best bet is to choose a shampoo with sulfate-free formula. The regular over-the-counter shampoos are high on SLS, that is sodium lauryl sulfate. That surely cleans your hair but makes it dry, damaged, and also infects the hair follicles. Choose a shampoo that is free of SLS and high on natural ingredients. The lesser the chemical, the better it's going to treat your hair to prevent the hair loss. Number 2 is good head massages. Head massages are clearly underrated to this generation, and it's everything that we need to relax and pamper our scalp with much needed nutrients. Make it a habit to massage your scalp at least twice a week with lukewarm oil. It will do you more good than you can imagine. Oil massage helps to increase the blood circulation in your scalp, which helps to strengthen the roots and hair follicles. The stronger the roots, lesser the hair fall. Oil massages prevent hair fall along with reducing dandruff and chances of scalp infections. Now here to see best oil to use for oil massages. Every how to prevent hair fall search finds its answers in the names of 3 natural oils. Number 1 is coconut oil. Your grandma will agree that coconut oil is the solution for all skin and hair concerns. Number 2 is almond oil. Highly enriched with vitamin E, almond oil helps to give your hair the strength, shine, and luster it lacks. Number 3 is argan oil. Newly introduced, argan oil is getting all the limelight for the best dose to give your hair a new life. If you want to prevent your hair fall, you must stop taking stress. Yes, this is true. A lot of studies prove that taking stress is harmful to your overall health and also results into hair fall. Practice de-stressing to visibly prevent hair fall and keep yourself in a better state of mind. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like epinephrine and cortisol, which acts as a barrier in the process of natural hair growth. So the best way to control stress is by getting yourself involved in a mind-calming activities like walking, reading a book, meditation, or swimming. Basically anything that you love doing to distract your mind from being stressed. Start doing this today itself. Start with a deep breath. Next is careful hairstyling. We all love to go crazy trying the newest hair trends. Little do we realize that our hair is sensitive to a lot of things, starting from heat to resistance and chemicals. Next time you decide to dye your hair rainbow or heat shape it exactly opposite to its natural texture, just take a moment and give it a thought. Do you really want to do it? If yes, are you ready to be more careful in taking care of your hair and leveling up its maintenance? If the answer is still yes, then go ahead. For daily styling, make sure you don't blow dry your hair every day, and if it's necessary to use a good heat protectant, spray to prevent hair fall. It's also advised to avoid wearing tight buns, ponytails, and braids. Just don't stress your hair. Let it breathe. Now, this is very important, a healthy diet for healthy hair. It's necessary to realize how important it's to monitor what we consume. What we eat is what's visible in our health, skin, and hair. To prevent hair loss, you should consume food that contains a high amount of proteins, vitamin E, biotin, iron, and zinc. Iron is important to boost the hair growth and naturally prevent the hair fall. The food that contains almost all of these nutrients is lean and meat. Cheese, yogurt, eggs, berries, spinach, fish, and nuts. It's a well-known fact that having 2 walnuts a day helps to reduce hair fall and makes your hair stronger. Now the don'ts to prevent hair fall. Do not brush your hair when it's wet. It makes your hair weak and increase the hair breakage. Do not heat hair without using a heat protectant. Do not use take extremely hot showers, it damages the hair follicles. Avoid smoking if you do, it accelerates hair loss. Do not wear a cap for too long, it makes your scalp sweaty and greasy. Do not use products that are high on chemicals. Do not hesitate to visit a dermatologist if your hair fall is severe. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.